Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add multiple photos to your Snapchat story. This is a great way to share your favorite moments or create a unique story. So let's dive into the topic. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Make sure that you have already logged in. If you are on the main screen, you will notice the camera is active. Here you can capture the photo and add it to the story too. But in today's video, we are going to learn how to add multiple photos to your Snapchat story. So we need more than one photo. So we are going to the memories. For that, tap on overlapping cards on your screen. This will open your memories. Memories is where Snapchat keeps all your saved photos and snaps. This makes it super easy to create a story from photos already in your gallery. Now tap on camera roll and scroll down until you find the pictures that you want to share. Here it is. To select multiple photos, tap and hold one photo until the selection mode appears. Then choose all the photos that you want to include to your story. You can mix the photos from a gallery and save snaps too. So don't worry about keeping it strictly on one or other. Next, let's talk about editing. If you'd like to make your photos more fun and personalized, you can edit each one. I'm going to show you how. Tap on any photo to open it. You will see an option of add text, stickers, or even apply a cool filters. But this step is completely optional, but it's a great way to make your story stand out. Now let's head back. When you are happy with the selection and edit, tap on Send To at the bottom right corner of the screen. On your screen, you can see two options over there. One is My Story Friends Only and another is My Story Public. If you tap on first option, your story will be only visible to your friends. And if you tap on second one, it will be visible to all the public, who can be your friends, followers, and everyone who is using Snapchat right now. I'm going to tap on first one. After tapping on the option that you like, tap on Send button at bottom left corner. Snapchat will upload all the photos to your story in exact order you pick them. It's super simple and now your friends can view them for next 24 hours. To make sure everything's look good, go back to the profile screen by tapping on Bitmoji icon or avatar in top left corner. On your screen you can see My Story. Here you can see all the photos displayed over My Story. Tap on them to watch your story. And that's it, you have just learned how to add multiple photos to your Snapchat story using the camera roll or snap. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how you use this feature. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in next video.